All right, what's up everybody? It's Sonny Young here. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Interlink Airdrop, right? When looking at the Interlink project. I would love to talk about the other airdrops as well, but I don't want the video to be too lengthy, you get. So you can see this is my account. If I go up, you see this is me. See Sonny at, you see that, right? So let me log out. So I'll just show you how the app work, how the project, what the project is all about. Okay, you can see if you install the app, right? You install the app from your Play Store or your Apple Store. This is what you see when you first open the app. This is how the app look like. You can see this is it. Sorry, this is how the app look like here. So let me click on it. So you see get started, you see try demo, blah blah blah. So you just click on get started. You can draw this like so. Then you see login or sign up, right? You see login or sign up. So if you are new, click on the sign up, right? Create your ID link. Just put in your ID link, any number. You can put your phone number, you can put anything, just put anything you can remember. Then you can write it down, should in case. So you click on continue and you'll be in, just like that. It's that simple. Right? So let me log in. You can see is my ID is already there, you understand. So, and you don't need to worry. There's nothing, it's not like it's the password or anything. The password is different from your ID, you understand. It's different from your the passcode is different from your ID. So there's nothing, you are safe. That's why I'm showing you this. That's why you're seeing my ID, because if I want to add you to my group mining, I have to do that by giving you my ID, or you giving me your ID. So there is no need to be panic about that, right? However, you need to know your ID, you understand. So I'll just click on login. So here is where you want to be careful about. You can use your fingerprint. I just use my fingerprint. However, you can also use your passcode. So is this passcode you want to keep from the public, you understand. So you click on confirm password. I say choose a login method, select to verify. So you want to verify. You see they also ask you to verify even after putting your passcode. Let me not do scan face. Let me do with email. Not even supposed to do this, but let me just do with email. Let me just do with email. So hope you are following the steps. If there's anything you don't understand, just leave it in the comment section. What's next? So I'm in already. So you can see this is my ITLG, and you can see this is my this other Interlink ID. That's the total number of Interlink ID worldwide, right? It keeps increasing, like it keeps changing. It can change anytime. So so you can see this is mine. If I come here, what I need to do, just click on mine. Just click on mine ITLG. Alright, just click on mine ITLG. This is how you mine, right? You mine every 4 hours. Alright, every 4 hours. Every 4 hours you mine, and you don't need to worry about missing it, because they will always remind you. It will keep popping up on your screen, you understand. So you can see, just once you are here, you just click on mine and it will open, and you click done. That's all. Then you see next mining is in 3 hours plus. So you say just 4 hours ITLG even in your wallet. So it's every 4 hours. Now okay, let me quickly talk about the group mining. You can see next mining 26. Okay, this is like the time that I'm going to be mining next is will be by tomorrow, which is 26. Today is 25, right? So that's all about that. And if you miss for a day or two, I think 2 days maximum, you'll burn your whatever your mind you'll be burning. That's why you can see the burning streak here. You know, there was a while that I mixed about 4 days, 6 days, and thereabouts. And you can see they were burning my ITLG that I mined already. So I had to like get back on it. You understand? So then you can see this is the base reward, this is the base rates 1.0, then human hash, HHP. So so once you have done that, the next thing you want to do, the next important thing you want to do, just click on this place that look like you, that is your profile, that is you, of course. Then you click on verify. You want to verify I'm a human. If you don't have this place right here, so I'll click on it. Hold on. Okay, okay. I'm trying to. Okay, okay. Okay, so once you are in, you want to click on this referral side, right? You want to click on this. You can see it's showing very okay. This is the tick. Is now I'm saying it. This is the tick I'm looking for. You can see this tick is showing tick here. You can see, so in yours it will not be showing tick. So you can see I'm human verified by face scan. So when you open yours and you click on this that top profile there, you click on this, it's going to open up as in form of camera, where you have to verify by letting it take your face. You understand? It's very simple, like when you are verifying your OPay or your PalmPay, you get. So that's that. Then you click on this referral part. So because why you have to do this is, of course, you need to be verified, and also you're going to be having, once you do that, you're going to be getting this what is called it, this HHP power, whatever, right? You're going to be getting that. That's this unlock human hash. You're going to be getting that from that section. So here for the referral, they say invite your friend and boost your human hash and more rewards, stronger times, blah blah blah. So they are showing you how to refer. So if you want to refer, just share your invite code or use the invitation link here. You get, if you check the comment section, you will see the invitation code and the invitation link there to get started on this app. So if you use my link or my invitation code, you're going to be having some rewards, some bonuses, right? So you're going to be having some bonuses. Let me show you the human hash that we're talking about. So you can see here I have 0.5 HHP increase, right? I had 0.5 HHP increase, which increased my HHP to 1.5. You get. So that's about that. So if you use my link or my invite code, you have and this HHP increase as well, which will enable you to earn more every 4 hours. You get. So after that, let's look at the group mining, right? Okay, so once you are here, let me, before I talk about the group mining, this video is getting lengthy. So you click on accounts, of course your email, you sign up with your email. You have a section where you have to put in your email, so you make sure you put in your active email, right? You can see this is my email here, then this is your ID. Then for wallets, you can leave that for now, although some people are linking their wallet, but for now you can leave that, right? So the most important thing is the one I told you, right? The is the one I've talked about. Important aspects, the one I've talked about, your ID, your email, you get, and the face scan, very important. Then yeah, account management is where you want to change your passcode or your language, whatever. because it has a lot of language. It has multiple languages. You see it if you click there. So that's basically all. What's next? Okay, that's basically all. So you can use any of these to check. This is their Twitter, this is their Telegram, this is their Discord, their YouTube. You get. So if you click on that, it's just going to direct you there. So another important thing. So I said you mine by clicking this place. So for the group mining which they introduced not too long, just click on this part here. So when you click on it, you see they say join a group and start mining with friends. So when you join a group, you can see this first group I'm in 4 hours we'll be mining together. So when you mine together, you're able to get more ITLG, and like so, you can see just like that. You'll be sharing it. Everybody will be mining together, and you'll be sharing whatever you get at the end of the mining section. You get. So you can see I'm in 3 groups. This is actually mine. This is someone else's, which is complete already. It's already 5. That's why you can see it's 5 and we are all active. You get. So you can see this is hold on. You can see, okay, this one too is in next 4 hours. So you see it's 5. It's only 5 for a group. That's why I'm showing this secure is coming up as blue, right? And these ones they're not blue yet because they're not complete 5. Once it is complete 5, it will be showing up as blue. So you can see here we have 5 complete. Here we have 4 remaining 1. Here we have 2 remaining 3. So that's what's up. If you want to join my group, maybe you already have an account with Interlink, you want to join a mining group, just drop your ID. Okay, I'm going to go through the comment section. Just drop your ID, and I'll generate a link or a code to send to you, and you use it to join my mining group. So this is how you in case you want to add someone, maybe you have your own group and you want to add someone, or you want to join a group. Let's say you want to add someone to your mining group. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, but let's say you want to add someone to your mining group. What you do is, after you create your group, this is where you click to create. You click on this plus sign to create a new group, right? To create your group, you click on create your group's ID. Once you don't, click save. Your new group will be created, and if you want to delete or leave the group, you also see the option to delete it as well. So if you want to add someone in the group, the person's invite link or invite code, you take it. If for instance I want to add let's say anybody, you get their invite ID, right? Their invite ID, which is this one you're seeing. Like for this guy, this is invite ID. So you click on this plus sign here, put in the invite ID. Once you put in the invite ID and it's correct, it's going to generate a code or a link or an invitation link, right? Which you can send the person the code where the person will come to his to his to his to this section is in his own app, and he will input the code, and he will join your mining group. Or you can send the person that invitation link which you generated. The person will click on it and it will take him automatically to the page in that section where he will just join your mining group automatically. It's the same thing if the person wants to add you. So that's how it is done. All right. So it's different from sharing your referral link. You get. So I just wanted to clear that out. So that's basically all. You can I think we're having some network lags. So you can check other. This is their total ID link worldwide. Total ID link worldwide. You can see verified IDs. You can see daily active IDs. You can see weekly active IDs. This is actually the app. What it's all about is it's like Pi in a way, right? But the difference I think is with other projects I noticed is that it has an AI agent embedded in it, or or like they want to build an AI agent where you have like Twitter, you have Grok, right? In Twitter, you have Grok. In WhatsApp, you have Meta AI. So they want, and they're trying to give an exchange whereby you will not just be trading futures or sport. You have an AI that will a real AI agent, Interlink AI agent that will help you in analyzing the market as you do your research. You get, so you can see that's a very big thing there. Let me hold on. Okay, let me. Sorry. Hold on. All right, so you can let's check their Telegram. So if you're enjoying the video, if you're understanding what I'm saying, please just like, share. You get, so just try and follow up. All right, it's a very good project that's probably gonna do well. It will do well. I have like strong faith in them. I think by next month or so, you're gonna be able to send and receive ITLG from last peer-to-peer trading. You get, so they are building strong. You can see they are building strong. They have over 74,000 members, subscribers in their Telegram channel. You can see trade anything anywhere in all one app. You get, so you can bridge, you can trade, you can do your futures and all. And if you check their Twitter, you also find out they're also active there as well. So just this is basically all I want to talk about for Interlink um, airdrop for the Interlink project. So make sure you follow up. The referral link and invitation code will be in the comment section. Use them to come on board. All right. Let's go back. Let's check their Twitter before we end the video. So you can use there for their Discord, here for their YouTube, or use there for their website. So let's check their X. Okay, so you can see over 147k followers. To share some incredible milestone for them. Okay, you can see their last post. Was 9 hours ago. You can see with you. You can see. So they are active. So just make sure you follow up. All right. So that's what's up. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.